Okay, so for math today, we're going to be doing a little bit in our workbook together. So if you'll get your Alpha Plus Math 1 OAS workbook, I'll tell you what page you need to be on. I've got my bookmark here. Okay, go to page 11 at the bottom. We're going to work on this guy a little bit together. Before we do this, I want to do a lesson with you on tens and ones, and it's going to be a little bit hard, but that's okay. So bear with me. I'm going to pause you real quick, and I'm going to get my stuff, and we're going to have us a lesson. Okay, I'm back. Get this thing brought up. All right, here's my board. I am going to get my marker, and I'm going to make some fields on my board. We're going to be farmers today. I'm going to make some fields. I'm going to make 3 fields. Here's the road that goes by my farm. Now watch, I'm going to cut it into 3 fields. Here's a field. There's a field. So look, 1, 2, 3 fields. I'm going to put some animals in my fields. I've got all different kinds of farm animals. I've got some horses, some little pigs, some little sheep, some cows. I'm going to stick them in my field. I got a calf running around in there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then I'm going to put these over here for now. We'll fill the rest of the fields in a minute. So a good farmer always knows how many animals they have in a field. And a good farmer does not put too many animals in a field or they won't have enough grass to eat and they'll be hungry. So in this field, there can only be 10 animals. In this field, there can only be 10 animals. In this field, there can only be 10 animals. So we never, ever, ever want to put more than 10 animals in our field. So is this field full? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think that field is full. I don't think we can get any more animals in. So we're going to have to put some more in the next field. I'm going to put some more. Here I go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we can put a duck in there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This little guy fell over. I better stick him up. Now, is that all the animals we can fit in this field? Yep, that field's full. And it just so happens that I have a couple more animals left that I need to put somewhere. So I'm just going to put them in the last field right here. Now, I have all the animals that I want on my farm. Remember, a good farmer always knows how many animals they have and how many animals they have in each field. So how many are here? Right, 10. How many are here? Right, 10. How many are here? Only 2. So we want to know how many animals we have all together. I could do it like this. I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But wouldn't that take forever to do that? That would take so long. So I'm going to do it a little bit different. I know when I have 10 here and 10 here, I can count by tens. I can say 10, 20. Did you see that? Because I have 10 here and 10 here, I can count by tens. 10, 20. Now, can I keep counting by tens here? No, because I don't have 10 animals. I only have 2. And it's okay if this is hard right now. You will get it. So I've got 10, 20, plus 1 more makes 21, 22. And again, it's okay if you don't get this. We're going to practice this all year. You will have it down. It's okay to have a hard time with it right now. That's why I'm doing it together with you in the workbook. One more time. 10, 20, 21, 22. So I have 22 animals. I know how many I have now. So if I end up missing one or one gets sick, I know what I have. So I'm going to write up here on my sign by the road 22 animals. I have 22 animals on my farm. All right, let's pretend like I sold 3 of these animals to a farmer next door. So they're going away. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. So that leaves an empty field. And I've got 10 here, but do I still have 10 here? No. I have 10. And then I jump over here and I have to count these by themselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I only have 9. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now I'm down to 19. Poor lonely little animals. 19. Even that still takes a long time to count, doesn't it? When I have to go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Doesn't that still just take a long time? Yes, I have an even better way. So watch me. I'm going to add some more animals back. I went to the sale barn and I bought me a whole handful of animals. So I'm going to see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 animals here. I have enough to put in my last field. I have enough to put in my last field. Is this field full? No. It's not. I could fit some more animals because I can have 10 in here and I only have 7. Is this field full? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's full. So I'm going to put a big X. That one's full. I can't add any more animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this one's full. Move you over, little guy. I can't put any more animals. But this guy, I can still put some animals in. I'm going to draw a square. That tells me I can have more animals. So, how many fields do I have that are totally full? How many fields? I have 1, 2 fields that are totally full. Watch me up here. I'm going to write a 2. This is like magic. It's a super cool trick. How many animals do I have left over here that have not filled my field up yet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. Look, that means I have 27 animals altogether. It's like a magic trick. Do you think I really have 27 animals? Let's count them. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I do! That's a really cool trick. Let's take them away. I'm going to take these away. I'm going to take half of these away. All right, now is my field full? No, I have spots for more animals. So I'm going to put a square back in this guy. And since this one's totally empty, I'm going to erase it. We're going to ignore it for right now. So is this one full? Do I have 10 animals here? Yeah, so I have 1 field full of 10 animals. I put my 1 there. Is this field full? No, I have 6 animals left over. So I put a 6 here. That means I have 16 animals altogether. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, now I'm going to get rid of all my animals. I'm going to tell you guys something. Each one of these fields, when they're full, is called a tens. The ones that are left over all by themselves are called ones because they're left by themselves. So let's try something else. I'm going to erase my sign. We're going to start over with our farm. I'm going to fill 1 field up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one fell over. 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 1 10. 1 field full of 10. So I say I have 1 tens. All right, I'm going to have to pause you guys for just a minute, and then I will get back to you in a minute while you think about that. Let me pause you. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Somebody I had to go talk to real quick. Okay, but I am back. So let's do the rest of this. So I have 1 field of tens. So that's 1 10 or 1 full field. So on this side of my sign is where I write how many fields I have totally full. I have 1 field full right here. Now, if I had just a couple extra in this field, I have 2 in the other field. It's not full yet, so I cannot say that it is full. I can only put how many I actually have in it. I have 2. Those are called ones because they're little lonely ones, and the field is not full. That's a real quick, easy way of saying 1 10, 2 ones makes 12, or 10, 11, 12. I know right now that this is very confusing. This is one of the hardest math ideas for kiddos your age to get and understand, and it is okay to have trouble right now. That's why I'm helping you with it. So we're going to do our workbook together, and we're going to do the first few pages, and you just do it along with me. And later in the year, we will really get into our tens and ones a lot better. But that was kind of my little short introduction to tens and ones. So just like the field, we're going to count how many towers or how many tens that we have. So let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 tens or 7 towers. So write 7. Another way I tell kids to remember this, it's like if you were building a city. You build towers in a city. There can only be one family that lives in every floor. See, every little block is like a floor. One family can live in it. And so you only have one family for every floor. But when you stack them on top of each other, you have 10 families. So it's a tower of 10. 10 families, 10 families, 10 families, 10 families, 10 families, tens. Over here, these are like little houses in the city. They're not towers. Only one family can live in each house. So these are tens, 10 families, 10 families, 10 families, 10 families, 10 families, 10 families. These are one. One family, one family, one family, one family, one family, one. So it's tens and ones. Let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 7 tens, 7 towers, 7 towers where 10 families can live in each tower, 7 tens, 8 ones. 8 little houses where only one family can live in each house, 8 ones. Put them together, that makes 78. 78. Turn the page. We're going to do the back side. So we have 1, 2, 3 towers. That's 3 tens. 3 towers. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 houses by themselves, or 7 ones. So 3 tens, 7 ones. That number is 37. I'm going to do the rest of this page with you, and then I want you to do the other page at home with your mom and dad. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 towers, or 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 houses all by themselves, or 4 ones. You put them together and it makes 44. Next, 2 towers, or 2 towers where 10 families can live, 2 tens. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little houses by themselves. So 5 ones. You put it together, 25. Next one, 1 lonely little tower where 10 families can live. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 houses. 9 houses where one family can live in each house. Make that go together, and it's 19. If this was a little bit hard again, it's okay. You don't have to get it right off. We will have more and more practice with it, I promise. So do this page. You did this page with me. Now do page number 13 with your mom and dad, and then we'll call that good for today. All right, have fun with your math, and I will talk to you later. Bye.